Indonesia, the largest archipelago, has a fertile and prosperous soil. Indonesia is blessed with a variety of natural resources, including many agricultural products, one of which are spices. The history of spices within Indonesia dates back to the era when European traders sailed to the Moluccan Islands in Indonesia in the 15th century. Their original purpose was to establish trade routes of spices. The Moluccan Islands used to be called the Spice Islands by the Europeans. The Egyptians called it the Land of Eden because of its richness in nutmeg, clothes, gold and pearls. Because spices such as nutmeg and cloves are mainly found in the Moluccan Islands, traders from all around the world came to the Moluccas to start trading in these spices. One of the main Moluccan spices is nutmeg. It can be found in Ternate, Banda and Ambon. It is from these locations where the typical Siau Ambon nutmeg is sourced. It is known for its most authentic nutmeg flavour, which is unequalled in the world. Today's main export destinations of nutmeg still consist of European countries such as Germany, the Netherlands, England and Italy. However, the demand from America and the Middle East is also quite high. Unispices Wazaran is an exporter and processor keen to provide the highest quality nutmeg from the Moluccan Islands. It has developed a standard for premium nutmeg products and provides full product guarantees to meet the expectations of the end users. Our nutmeg processing starts at the very beginning of the supply chain, firstly with the sourcing of fresh nutmeg. After our in-house natural drying process, the nutmeg is brought to our Surabaya facility for shelling, sorting and calibration. In this facility, the nutmeg is processed and sorted into export quality. Upon arrival of the goods at the facility, a fumigation process is initiated before temporary storage prior to further processing. All batches in the supply chain are labelled and well documented to ensure full traceability. The processing of the nutmeg continues at our shelling machine. This is where the shell of the nutmeg is being cracked and removed. After shelling of the nutmeg, our employees perform the sorting process. Selection, sorting and calibration are carefully executed to maintain a high standard. Our company has dedicated its business to provide the best Indonesian spices for customers worldwide. Total exports of nutmeg per year reach 300 to 400 tons. Therefore, we can provide an assurance of sufficient stock of nutmeg. Unispices Wazaran continues the Indonesian heritage in providing the best spices from Indonesia. Unispices Wazaran, United Indonesian Spices.